Have you ever studied Karina Conde de Hoyos? English 2. 1. Have you ever been to Machu Picchu? 2. Have you ever played the guitar? 3. Have you ever spent of 1000 pigs you in a day? 4. Have you ever met and found a star? 5. Have you ever done Excel anti-beat? 6. Have you ever gone skiing? 7. Have you ever ride a motorcycle? 8. Have you ever driven cycle? 9. Have you ever driven a car? 10. Have you ever seen Harry Potter? 11. Have you ever found money in the street? 12. Have you studied English before? 30. Have you ever run marathon? 14. Have you ever cooked take and hammer? 15. Have you ever worked of fixing out in your office? 16. Have you ever visited Great Hall of China? 70. Have you had an iPhone before? 19. Have you even lost your wheels? 18. Have you ever played with dolphins? 20. Have you ever felt and sleep on Lepson? 10.